G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at 29 Blaxland Road in the popular bayside suburb of Urraween. There's a bit to take in as usual. Let's go and take a look around. This modern brick veneer home was completed in 2015 and is positioned on a low maintenance 465 square metre allotment opposite the parkland with a community dog park. This property represents a solid investment opportunity and has been a popular rental with reliable long-term tenants currently in place. This home is located in the highly sought after master plan community of Augusta in the popular suburb of Urraween, offering the lifestyle and convenience that comes with having essential amenities including shopping centres, hospitals, medical centres, golf course and everything else that makes Hervey Bay great only minutes away. Enter and be welcomed by an array of quality appointments, sleek aesthetics and an open light-filled design. Enjoy the fusion of classic lines with modern finishes that create something special with an intuitive and creative floor plan. The stylish kitchen forms the heart of this home and includes expansive stone bench tops, great storage space and a pantry. Quality appliances include a 4-burner gas cooktop with a range hood, an oven and a dishwasher, being ideal for entertaining and preparing meals for both everyday and those special occasions. This home utilises its space perfectly, with the vast indoor dining and living area seamlessly opening out to the north-facing outdoor entertaining area, all under the main roof. This area also includes a natural gas barbecue point. This is where you'll take advantage and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. Cooling off over the warm summer months is as simple as turning on the reverse cycle split system air conditioning, which flows across the open plan dining and living area as well as the main bedroom. This home also includes a separate media room where you'll be able to kick back, relax and enjoy your favourite television series along with the latest movie releases. This home does include 4 spacious bedrooms, all with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. The spacious main bedroom includes a ceiling fan, split system air conditioning, a large built-in wardrobe and an ensuite with shower, vanity and a toilet, and you've also got direct access outside to the alfresco outdoor entertaining area. The bathroom includes a bath and a shower plus vanity, and you've got a separate toilet. The laundry offers direct access outside to the clothesline via the garage. Those looking to accommodate several vehicles will appreciate the double garage with a remote panel lift door, and you've got direct internal access into the home. The sellers are not testing the market and are calling for an immediate sale. So here's your opportunity to call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.